the optional lane change assistant Side Assist with Rear Traffic Alert, a practical aid for your Volkswagen. With the help of radar sensors at the rear of the vehicle, which monitor the space behind and beside it, Side Assist is able to ascertain the traffic situation. If there is another vehicle in a critical zone from the point of view of changing lanes, this is indicated to the driver by means of a visual signal in the exterior mirror. Should the driver nevertheless start to prepare to change lanes, Side Assist will alert him within the limits of the system with a clear flashing signal in the mirror base. In conjunction with the optional lane departure warning Lane Assist, the system additionally helps the driver by counter-steering before the vehicle crosses detected lane markings. The radar sensors integrated in the back also help to reverse out of a parking space within the limits of the system. With this support, the driver is able to carefully reverse out of the space in a controlled manner. If an approaching vehicle is detected in the area behind the car, the system gives an acoustic alert as well as a visual warning in the infotainment display. Should the driver fail to react, the system can reduce the possible consequences of an impending collision by braking. From parking space to overtaking lane. Side Assist with Rear Traffic Alert from Volkswagen.